Hello guys, this is me Ayan here. Welcome to my channel Pixology. Today we are going to learn how to change boring background into an amazing one. So let's get started. Let's open the file. So here's the file. Now I'm changing this resolution into 72 pixels per inch just because I am editing this for social media, not for printing. Now we need to select the bird to remove this boring background. So let's make a copy of this background layer before. By clicking and dragging the layer to this copy icon, you can do it. Or simply press Ctrl J or Command J to copy. So once it is copied, now I'm going to use this quick selection tool. To me, this quick selection tool helps me to save my time. Let me show you how. Check this button in order to select. Now click the mouse and just drag throughout the outline of this bird. And the Photoshop does the rest of the work. It's very simple to use to select anything. It is quick as its name suggests. So let's fast forward this to save your time. So now, see these rough edges, it needs to be smooth. In order to do so, go to select the refine edge. The red area shows the selected part. Now drag this smooth slider. You can see very well that the rough edges got smoother. But don't overdo it. Keep it until it looks natural. So to me, 5 is good. You can also shift edge if you like. Okay, now the bird is selected. Now just click the layer mask icon. And the background is already removed. Let me show you by hiding the background layer. So now you can see the background is completely removed. Let's open our next image, which we are going to use it as its background. So here's the image. Now we have to put the image in here. To do so, just click and drag and drop it here. Now put this layer 1 below the layer 0. Now you can see the bird with its new background. Now let me just adjust the background. Yeah, it looks fine to me. I want to blur the background a bit. So just go to filter, blur, field blur. Now you can see the background, it's already blurred. Now make sure don't overdo it, just keep it a bit natural. Now select OK. and your creamy smooth background is done. Let me just open the original image to show you guys the difference. This is before and this is after. Now you can further edit this, but for today that's all guys. Thanks for watching guys. I will be back soon with another video.